hanging out in the crowd. One wing. 30 seconds now. 30 seconds. Bring it on home. Focus. Focus. Race is airing. One wing. One wing. Hurry. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Cut it down. It's one wing. One wing. One wing. One wing. One wing. 10 seconds. Finish it. Finish it. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time. What you saw there, wow. Okay, coach says it's over. We're definitely, no, I heard. Someone take the whistle away from coach. I got to tell you, there was a journey, spirit, unbelievable, the triumph of the human spirit. Now, the issue is this. I got to tell you something. What happened here is St. Bonaventure came back in a big way in the final 3 minutes, and I don't know where he got that. Just connected with himself inside. He knew he could do it, and he came back in a way that just totally renewed my faith in humankind. But what you saw there when they were both done, Ray went back at his plate, and he went back at, forgive me, I promised I wouldn't do this, it's making me emotional. Back at his plate, and he put his mouth down there, and he cleaned his wings. Now, hold this, Lauren, you are terrific, and if I could just, by fiat, make you the winner, I would. Hold my mic for a second. Andrew, very, very close. They both finished at the buzzer. The person I predicted would win, Ray Scudero! From UB. Ladies and gentlemen, what a year. Get up front, come on up front. Give them all a big round of applause. They did a great job. Ladies and gentlemen, your champion! Drinking and partying. Don't tell you, because he's going home with the trophy and he's going to put that at the bottom of his resume, and it's an excellent conversation starter. Oh, you won the first ever college wing champion? That's very interesting. How did you do that? Do you know Takeru Kobayashi or Joey Justin, etc., etc.? That's the job in that scenario. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, coaches, thank you so much for coming. Yeah, is he at your school? No? Oh, there was no cheating. There was no cheating. That isn't. Let's get that photo then. Get in the middle there. Let's get that photo. That's for the yearbook. That's for the social media and the Twitter and the Facebook, etc. A thank you to all of our guys. To Justin. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Great job. That is incredible, Earl. Have you ever seen anything like that? You don't see that every day, do you? Ladies and gentlemen, look at Ray. Ray's going to go for a well-deserved beer. They want one more photo.